Hello guys, good morning everyone. I'm here now in Kitagas. Change location na punta o change career na punta. This place is very nice because the environment is very fresh. Fresh pa kay Lara. Hello Lara. Lara ng General Santos. Shout out sa'yo dyan, Lara. Tugpa na diha, day. Kay buntag na. Chance location o chance career. Hago ng Jinsan. Kanang very polluted na kaayo. Mo ni ako ang panagatan kuan ko managat ko mamarilis.